Welcome everybody, what's going on? We're back. We are back before the news, so just on time. Let's see what's it gonna be. The number that we're expecting is gonna be unemployment claims. Expecting a little bit lower. Oh, I wonder how's it gonna go. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. All right. Gold actually went up to the 61.8 level ish on the recent swing. Structure shift to the downside. So let's look for that level. I mean, let's look for the number. And we got back to the level that we were talking about in the London session. This gray area. Imagine how interesting it is. But there was no entry, by the way. So it was just, you know, slipping lower and lower. Everybody was waiting. So I guess that's it for that. And I also totally forgot something. Let me check. I know I had a all right, got it. J-Ho, what's going on? Forgot to put in the giveaway. There you go. Pin message. What's going on, J-Ho? Yeah, finally we got down on ES too. So Mohammed, hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? No entry. No entry in the whole London session, and after that as well. I mean since that as well, nothing. No major structure shift. I mean, there was one, but no retracement, so pretty peaceful. If I look at the 1 hour, let me delete all this. If you look at the 1 hour, I think we got back to the 50% level with this one. So could be a continuation higher. Super bullish, everything. Although we do have some levels to the downside. Seems like gold is still bullish. I don't trust the shorts at this moment. Looks like head and shoulders. I agree. It does look like a head and shoulders. So that would be great to see this one dropping. I would also like to see this level on the 15-minute being taken as a target. But still no structure shift. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Online safety, I was short from 316, opened at 936, and I held that. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. 316. 316, 936. You mean, yeah. After London Open. Jesus, you were holding this? That's what? That's a lot. Vyox, say hey, what's going on? Turpidity. I was shorting 260. That's how I went negative 4K. Oh, oh yeah, I remember. You talked about that. Oh wow, I mean, yeah, I mean, getting back from negative 4K to positive 900, that must have been a emotional roller coaster, I think. That must have been a roller coaster. I'm thinking to maybe go for the news, but I don't know. I'm a little bit afraid of possible rhythmic issues. So I don't want to waste any account on that, but I don't know. I'm not going to do any hedge or anything about any. I'm not going to hedge accounts. Last time I did that, I mean, it works like maybe 3 out of 10 times. Last time it didn't work for me. I mean, it blew both ways. So I have some good evaluation accounts. I mean, in profit. I don't want to waste them. And I think I have some new ones as well, but I just don't want to waste more evaluations today. This is not that kind of news. I know it's unemployment claims, but I don't expect that much of a movement. I mean, yes, it can make like 50 points or 100, but I don't think it's gonna make more than 50 or 60 points. I don't know. Not enough volume. Took a short at 350. Literally 1 second to take your trade. Yeah. 350. Wow. That's a nice one there. Yeah. So yeah, it was a little bit suspicious for me that gold was starting to move this kind of movement. This is not normal as gold repriced this higher. It usually means that of course before the news, and it usually means that they might want to, I mean, market might want to take those swing highs up there. This is actually a bearish order block anyway. Yeah, it is. So not a perfect one, but on the 15-minute, bearish order block. On the 1 hour, also a bearish, no, it's not a bearish order block on the 1 hour. But also a bearish order block on the 5-minute. So I would expect gold to continue to run higher because of this order block on the 5 and the 15-minute chart. Should be breaking that level. But I'm not going to put on a pending order. I'm just gonna wait. At Apex, you're not required to close it. On the evaluation account, you can do whatever you want, but also on the funded account, you can leave the trade open if it's not a bracket order. I mean, if you don't have bracket orders or you're not hedged out And if your position size is not all that much different, so for example, you were trading like with 1 mini or 5, 8 micros, whatever, and all of a sudden you have an open trade before the news with 5 minis or 8 minis, that's something they might look into. Otherwise, if you have a proper stop loss and take profit, proper risk management, then it's fine. Then it's okay, as long as you have a steady risk management and it's not something like an outstanding position size or whatever. But you know, holding a trade before this kind of news, it's a coin flip, let's face it. So you might have a good technical analysis and it might go your way, but if the number is not that good, it's just gonna, it can also spike both ways. So that's a coin flip to hold a position before red folder news, especially unemployment claims. I don't think it's something most traders want to do. I think gold is going to pop higher. That is what I think. Of course, that doesn't mean that, I mean, let me measure it real quick. Gold. 1-to-1 risk. Could go. Could go, but you know, let me see which account could I trade. I was trading on this account in the morning. And let's see what else. All right. All right. Still have some news. I mean, some time until news. Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't think I want to take a position on this one. But let's see. Let's see the news. 5 seconds, I think. So, what do we have? Is it going to take it out? I think it took it. Didn't take out the high, right? I mean, not yet. Let's see the news. What's the number? It's a little bit more than expected, but lower than last time. No revisions so far. Building permits. Overall, not that good news, I would say. Not that good. Overall, the news are not that good. So gold should be continuing higher. Yeah. No more guessing for me. Hey, Naz, what's up? Scalping to zoom. It has burned me too many times. Yeah. There you go. Don't fall for it being desperate. Yeah, that wasn't a real move. I mean, I thought we're gonna expect more. Look at price point. Yeah, before you enter. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm not trading the 1 minute nowadays, because it messed me up big time. So no trade on me. No trade for me on the 1 minute. The news would suggest that gold should continue higher. Otherwise, I don't really see anything special on this. ES actually looking kind of okay for a short, but it's dangerous. I don't think I want to go short on ES after news like this. Could be the opposite way as well. Yeah, no volume, so NQ also nothing. 15 minute could go lower. Looks like the ES might want to go lower. No. Sopham, hey, what's up? What is the best scalping strategy? There are so many strategies to scalp. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. Spy Girl, what's up? Everybody has a different approach for scalping. You know, when I scalp, I would just say I try to pick up some price points that could be interesting, and I try to enter the trade, and that's it. Otherwise, I don't have a specific strategy. For me, scalping is more likely kind of a discretionary trading, and I'm not good on that. So this would have been a good entry. The only issue was the news, because of this is a news candle. I would have never entered this one, but looks like ES is gonna go lower. Afternoon was okay. I mean, it's already afternoon. By the way, guys, in about an hour or a little bit, or maybe 70 minutes, 80 minutes, I have to go for a quick errand in the city. But I think I keep the stream open, so I try to get back as soon as possible. But, you know. Let's see. Yeah, ES is going lower. Gold just staying in one place. I don't see any good trades yet. Money with the hey, trade away not working. Oh, that sucks. I didn't know that. I guess not just Rhythmic has issues. Damn it. No, hey there. Beat scalping strategies probably 21 EMA. Oh, there you go. Ness has the answer. Yeah, news is disappointing right now. It's actually bad news overall, I think. I mean, the way I look this, we have more unemployment claims. Building permits are lower. The manufacturing index got lower. These numbers are not good overall. And do we have a revision? A little bit. Anyway, so yeah, the last number got revised from 242 to 243. So actually the number was higher previously. These are not good numbers. Tommy, you're a hardworking man. Yeah. Working hard, you know. Working hard. Good morning. Don Arsenal, hey there. Sell model ending. On which market? NQ? Could be. We got back to this gap. That doesn't mean we can continue from here. We have some good sell side at 256. I'm gonna mark that up right there. Sell side liquidity 256. So far, let me see. You know, I might even want to see this go lower. NQ got more liquidity down, but we're right in a 4-hour fair value gap. It should react. Yeah, it could be. 259 is a good area. We could be seeing a VWAP bounce here. VWAP, there you go, I said it. VWAP. That's how I say it. VWAP. And I might look for this one to go up to 292. We whoop. Gotta start getting ready. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle. If it leaves a fair value gap here in this area, that would give me a valid entry point. I mean, not there. I want to wait it to spike higher to OTE. If it gets up there. And my final TP would be down at 256. But we still have less than 1 minute and we still have to wait for the next candle, what it's going to do. And it's going. All right, so this trade is smoked. It's not valid anymore. I mean, if it's going to reach that sell side before retracing higher, then it's low probability. How am I safe to you? Yeah, I suggest you do. 63. You have a level, almost there. Yeah, I was just looking at the low of the swing right there. So looking at that, I mean, if it goes back up there, and that's a big if, 290.25 for example, then it could be good for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, but otherwise I don't really trust it. Gold, look at this. Gold is just melting down. That's what I'm saying. I mean, gold should be going up. The market doesn't care about the news, it seems like. Although Nasdaq is melting a bit, just as ES. ES target could be down at 55.65. All the way down there. If it's sell side model, it would be juicy. Oh yeah, it would be. I mean, I like the ES very much as it looks right now. I like the sell side at 55.65. Looks very good. Of course, we have market open, so be careful with that. Do we have other news after this? Nothing. All right. We have crude oil, and that's it. This is a bearish order block. I'm gonna keep an eye on this level. Okay, it's going. ES is going. Gold is going. I guess, yeah, Nasdaq is going. So that's it. No trade. No trade. Gold is melting down. Look at that. I mean, it's not a perfect one, but it could be a head and shoulders. Not a real good one, but you know, who knows? I need this candle on gold to close lower than this. Then I would consider to continue lower. And what else? Yeah, the 200 EMA wouldn't hurt. Yeah, exactly. And for now, I just have the weave up. It's head and shoulders. Yeah. I don't trade the head and shoulders. I just know a few guys, a few people were noticing it earlier. Not this session, but in London, that we could be forming. I wanted to see gold to close lower than 2350. It's not gonna happen. It's just not happening. And until Nasdaq is not breaking the 256 level, this trade can actually be valid. How about that? Look at that right there. Optimal trade entry on the 5 minute. Yeah, on the 5 minute. The risk to reward is off. That's the problem. The risk to reward is not good. Oh yeah, I know, Naz. That could lead to a bounce, yes. Hey, Komodo. No. It's not a holiday. Today is full open. Today is just as usual, a full trading day, full business day. We're gonna be watching this on ES. Okay, gold didn't close below there, so gold is out of the picture for now. Let's see. On the 15 minute, Yeah, it can go lower, but not sure if NQ wants to go higher. I'm watching ES too. I like ES a little bit better. Oh, totally forgot we have a 15-minute gap on ES. Come on. 15-minute gap on ES. Sell side liquidity. Yeah, 15-minute ES. All right. Risk to reward is a little bit off. But this would be down here a 1 hour fair value gap. So yeah, I like ES for a short. NQ looks good too, to take out some Asia lows. Sorry, I'm bouncing all over the place, but I'm measuring some targets. If this one is a sell model, then we should be continuing lower. For now, the thing is that we have market open, not too far. I'm going to put a alert on ES, and I'm going to go back to NQ and wait. And see what's happening. You want to take a buy, NQ. But it could cross that support. But it could cross that support. Oh yeah, it can. It can. It can. That's what I'm afraid of as well. That's what I'm afraid of. It might not be over yet. $55.76 would be the optimal. 76.50. 76.50. 76.75. 76.75. And still looking at Nasdaq. I wish there would be no open. Till this day, I don't know what these gaps are. If you guys know these gaps play out and get filled in time, hell, maybe I need to learn. Yeah, I mean the gaps have different terms in different kind of trading styles. So, yeah. I guess in this case, I mean, here's market open. I'm not really a huge fan of opening a position on Nasdaq before the market open, maybe with a very, very, very low risk. But, or ES, maybe ES would be a little bit more safer to go with. We have some relative equal lows down there. $55. 76.75. That's something that interests me. We have this fair value gap here. I like that area. Market structure shift. OTE. Good targets to the downside. I do like that. And the same on Nasdaq. Gap, OTE, good targets. Not the best targets, but that's the problem. Why do we have market open? I mean, since yesterday where the stock market was closed, we could see some insane price action at some point. Tommy, good morning. Good to see you. What's happening? Don't forget it, guys. Apex. I know you guys love Apex. $40 for all the accounts. 300k account is almost, I mean, also $40. 150k account, also $40. Everything is $40 at Apex. So $85 lifetime activation fee. Check it out. Okay, I like what ES is doing for now. All right, there you go. All right, I'm putting a sell limit at 76.75 with a small position. Where's the balance window? You guys don't see it anyway. It's a small position on ES. NQ is still going higher. Trading Star, who love Apex? No, thank you. All right. It did not go for the entry. For my entry, I think it missed with one tick. 76.50 was the high. Yeah, I didn't take it. I'm gonna let you guys know if I got triggered. My entry is still at 76.75 as the limit sell order. Let's see. I'm checking NQ as well. Almost the same type of entry on both of these markets. Like, I don't know. If NQ spikes higher to that gap, that might be enough for me to enter on ES. By the way, Blue Sky also said, I totally forgot to put out the picture, that Blue Sky welcomes DCA traders. They literally said that they are welcoming DCAing traders. Totally forgot to say that. So at least we know that they like that. Look at that, it's just not taking it. It spiked into 76.50 and that's it. Wow, what a move. I'm gonna show you guys where is my entry. NQ. No, that's not it. I took it on the Bulenox MES. There you go. So that was my limit order right there. And it was only one tick off from my entry. One tick. I was risking like $100 on this one. So one tick off. Anyway. Still gonna wait. $22.87.25 is what you are looking to short. Yeah, but I think I missed the train. Yeah, that's the level I'm looking to short, but it's I missed it. ES took the ride, and that's it. The move is done. That's it. That's it. It's over. It spiked into the gap and boom, goes down. And it's gonna drag down NQ. Almost got my trade with one tick. That's what you call FOMO. One tick. That's all that it needed. Of course it can go back, but first it's gonna make a new low. It's gonna make a new low, and then if it makes a new low, actually if it takes out these, I mean if it goes into the gap, this 1 hour gap down there, then this trade is low probability. So I'm not interested in that anymore. Seems like it's gonna go. Everybody, can please share the Juneteenth TOPSTEP X 150K discount code for me? I don't even know if we had a discount code. Did we have a discount code? I think we had. I received some emails from TOPSTEP. I don't know. Okay, so this trade is done. Okay, I'm deleting my limit order. It's not valid anymore. It's not valid. Why don't you go with the BULENOX? Oh yeah, because you want to go with TOPSTEP X. Yeah. All right. Sorry. All right. This trade is off too. That's it. I do feel some FOMO about this, and we just made a new low, so could have been a nice one. 71, nice 5 handles before the open. I can take that anytime. Handsomely. Yeah, I mean I didn't receive anything. No, I don't have a code. I don't have a code, unfortunately, man. Now we wait till 10. Let market show what it'll do for the rest of the day. Yeah, exactly, Don Arsenal. Now that we missed the entry, we have the market open. Everything is low probability. So more patience. That's what we need at this moment. Even more patience than before. It was very unfortunate for me not to take this. Entry was missed only one tick. But anyway, I think we're gonna go down to 55.65. This one could have been a nice trade, but you know, if it would spike down and then go back up, I'm not going to take the trade, because from that moment that it spiked into this fair value gap down here below 70 and between 65, that's a fair value gap 1 hour. So all right, Nez. B Livingston, now it's so cringy, everything everything you recommended. Apex, I don't understand. Hey Marshall, wait for next A plus setup. Absolutely. Green Day incoming if you wait for the next one to confirm. Better luck next time. Oh yeah. Just wait for the next setup. That's all. That's all. It's because of the spread, 0.25. Yeah, could be. Could be. I think the trade for the tick is really remarkable. Apex equals no. Mystery Life, yeah. I mean, if you don't like Apex, there's plenty other to choose from. Most likely only those traders don't like Apex that like to add to those positions as DCAing. But I understand. I mean, we have a lot of people who are making very good money, obviously, from DCAing, so I know that could be bothering. I never traded like that, but I know we have a lot of people in the chat who is making profit with DCAing. All right. Look at this level. It's holding. What was the low of this candle? Low here is 570.25 as well. Equal lows. Okay. And look at the low of this candle. 70.25, the same. 4 times equal lows at 5570.25. Now that's interesting. Might even be another chance to take that. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, it happened. Oh my god. I'm sorry to hear that. So it happened on Methodical Mainstream too. I hope it will solve it somehow. I mean, I hope it gets solved, but you know, Trading Star, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I mean that sucks, Trading Star. I'm really sorry about that. I don't know. I would really hope that they would solve this somehow. We have some people applied for payouts, so far we had multiple people who got their payouts in the past weeks. So I don't know what could be the issue, but you know, I really hope that it's gonna be all right. Most likely, they are taking their time. That's for sure. Yeah, Fritz, Apex. They're taking their time. Other traders should give explanation for their trades. Yeah. I also know a guy here in my country. He's not streaming or anything. He got approved for his payout, and he's not DCAing. I think I spoke to him on Monday. No, not Monday. Which day was that? I don't know. Yes, I'm trading the September contract. Exactly. September contract right there. I mean, the majority of the volume is on the September contract by now. So everybody's waiting for the market open. Good morning, AVS. Good to see you on the stream. J-Ho, yeah, J-Ho called out some very good levels today already. Short while you can. We're going lower. I think it's too late to go short for me. I know I wanted to wait for the entry. It didn't go to my direction. So all I can do is just suck it up and wait for the next entry. And be patient. If it repricing this 1 hour gap, it might go even lower to previous day low as a continuation of the sell model, but I'm not sure. Kojak, good morning. Good to see you too. How's it going? It's the U. You can see it right here. U. That's the September contract. Or you can see it right here. Upper down right corner. All right. Gold is actually stuck. ES made a new low. Sorry, NQ made a new low. ES could be still repricing the gap. I think it will. Right at market open. What happens after that? Who knows? This market is so bullish. I would not be surprised on one more push to the upside. Actually, I'm not surprised on anything anymore on Nasdaq. So it's just not going down. It's not going down. Otherwise, we have, what do we have here? We have some levels from yesterday here at 223. I'm not sure. Don't forget, we have a giveaway on Tuesday. You can find it in the pin message if you want to participate. If you're not on the stream when we pick out the winner, no problem. We're going to tweet out the winner and send an email as well. Let's wait. All right, so this one can go reprice this level. I could be looking for a turn. Yeah. Nothing here. Nothing to be seen. Big G. This is the 8th green day in a row. That's very bullish and doesn't happen too often. Yeah, it's very rare. It's very rare. We are below the midnight level, so could be turning into a red day, but it's rare. No pullbacks yet, so when it pulls back, it will be violent. Yes, imagine, I mean, that happened somewhere in January, I don't know. But a pullback could be instant 500 points, like without any retracements, like instantly, boom, just go down way below the 20K. Even all the way down to 19,900 here. Super easy. Super easy. Look at this level. This level, actually, you don't have to look far. Just look at the 1 hour chart. This is a bullish order block. Beautiful. This area is just screaming to be taken. I mean, maybe not today, but sooner or later, it requires repricing and to be broken this here. Previous day low at 127, also a good area of interest. So who knows? Displacing lower. Let's see. This was yesterday AM session low. I'm gonna put a line there just so I know. 960. Oh yeah, it absolutely screaming to take out. Yeah, that level is just screaming to be taken out. That's what I always say. Trading Star. I should have held my shorts for a little longer. You know, you never know. And there you go. Jeho is nailing it again. That short just paid. Took all but one contract off. Congrats, congrats. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to share it if it's not a problem. Jeho's trade. Boom. Look at it. This guy, I'm telling you, he's killing the market. He's killing it. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Absolutely nice trade. Yeah, I mean, he's just calling out levels. I don't know where he gets the numbers, but he's doing it. He's just going for it. I think he has a sense, or I don't know. Don't crave. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, let's make money today. It's all ICT concepts. All ICT concepts. I guess he was looking for this level somewhere here, the sell side. But it was a really, really, really beautiful trade there. Very well done. Yes. Don't know how to pick which levers are in play. Yeah. Everybody wants to know the sauce. Jeho, come on. Everybody, including me as well. I mean, it's serious. Did you use an order block or a gap or propulsion block or whatever. Compare ES and NQ 5-minute chart. There you go. ES and NQ 5-minute. ES took this fair value gap, boom, started to go lower, and then ES as well. That's it, right? 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I missed this trade. That's why I was saying, like, man, I missed this one. And then ES started to go lower, diving into that fair value gap down there, which is a 1-hour gap below 570. Yeah, I'm looking at NQ. We also have this. It did not reach the F. Yeah, it didn't go for it. It failed. It's almost like an SMT, right? So ES took out the fair value gap, NQ failed, started to go lower, and then boom. That's it. Yeah, that's the continuation. SMT. Then boom, sell side. Yeah, I was also thinking kind of like the same, like if NQ failed to do that, then it might go for that 256 area. I didn't have my entry. That's the problem. If I would have entered here, that would have confused me of where to enter. Yeah, might be Jay who needs to join. I'm not even kidding. We should do that someday. Pick your thoughts. All right. Anyway, definitely J-Ho, definitely. Definitely. So yeah. And Rottable, hey, what's up? J-Ho, we're gonna make a time for it. As I said, around 10 a.m. Yeah, around 10:30 a.m. I might have to go to make a few errands in the city, and it might gonna take me about 30 minutes. What's up? It seems like J-Ho is killing it, you know, all over the place. All over the place. But that's ICT Concepts, really. I know he's good. Yeah, I mean the Asia session I'm not really able to do, but London session throughout New York, that could be interesting. Key levels, there you go. Yeah, I mean, I really don't want to brag about it because it's J-Ho's thing, but he really called out some good levels. I mean, lately, I don't even remember in the past weeks when J-Ho's levels wasn't correct. So the only thing I was missing, and of course I'm not missing, but I guess he has his own entry style, is when he enters exactly, and when he is adding to a position maybe, or how he's managing the risk, but that's a different thing for everybody. But the levels he called out was spot on, definitely. Yeah, that could be a boom. Keep yesterday's low marked. I think we hit that before this week. So yeah, yesterday's low, I mean, on Nasdaq, it's a little bit down there, but because we are so bullish in the past few days, we don't have a red day. So the 223 level is still in the crosshairs, I think. Pretty high chance that we can go for it. Also, on the 15-minute, I don't know. I mean, look at this. we have a fair value gap also, not too much, a little bit. 282. Good risk to reward. And that's based on the 15 minute. I do like that idea. So let me zoom it out. Based on the 15-minute chart. (15-minute). There you go. Fair value gap. Order block. OTE level, but it's going down. Look at that. It's just going down. Never mind. Keeps going down. The 23 is going to get taken out on this one. The news was definitely not good as well. So I think the 23 level is... Oh, the Discord. We have a paid membership, but I promised that a few times. I know I didn't kept it up to do a separate chat room for free, everyone. I didn't do that yet. We have a paid membership, $10 a month. It's not much, but we don't have too many people there. But we share some setups. There's some educational material. I try to add more and more stuff slowly, but you know, it's a small membership, but it's a good, I mean, a small community, but it's good. No community Discord. Oh, not yet. So that's what I'm saying. I might gonna do a free version where I can post as well. You're selling since 6 a.m. Ooh, just want to share my setup. Sir Bernson, you're selling since 6 a.m. Jesus. You're in it. You're in it. TP hit. That is nice. What are you trading? Are you trading support resistance, supply and demand, maybe smart money, or what's your thing? Let me know. That's awesome, man. If you're holding it for that long, that's cool. That is super cool. Oh, you created concept 2 years ago. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. Yeah, you told me. I'm sorry. So many people. No, it's fine. It's fine. You need to share abs. Hey there. Why is there so much hate for ICT traders? I love ICT. I'm trading ICT, so I love ICT. I mean, not Michael Huddleston, but the concepts. I do like to trade with ICT concepts. Yeah, so Bernson, do me a favor if you just send me an email and I'm getting in contact with you, all right? Just send me an email. It's in the About section on my YouTube. All right. We'll figure out something. We'll figure out something. They hate ICT because he fades retail concepts and ideas. Oh. Yeah, that's a thing or something. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out something. My email is tomsaybobiz@gmail. It's in the About section somewhere on the channel. All right. Market is about to open, so let's focus on that for now. And we'll see what's gonna happen. Also, if yeah, I'm just gonna type it here. It's not, no worries. I'm just gonna type it in the chat. Don't worry. There you go. So, what I want to say is that oh yeah, Jo is not sleeping. He's printing money. He's printing money. That's what he does. I'm going to register you in all spam stuff now, Tom. Thanks for your email. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Abs, come on. Don't do this. Actually, I think I'm already registered because I used this email for my email marketing once before and I got flagged for spam. So anyway, few of my friends don't receive my email because it always lands to the spam or to the, you know, trash folder. Let me check. All right, I have it. I have it. All right, all right. All right. Yeah, NQ is having a hard time. I'm gonna send you an email later, Sir Bernson. I'm just checking something here and I'm looking. The market is gonna open in 10 seconds. Let's see. The market is open for business. Let's see if this one's gonna fall or not. Let me go down to the 1 minute. I know you guys like the pressure on the 1 minute. Or this is ES. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to NQ. Look at that. NQ going lower. 5 minute chart. I think it's gonna take out 26. It just feels heavy. The way it's printing. ES is falling. Should be taking out 65. NQ is still holding this level. This is the 5 minute chart. On Quant Tower, I'm just checking how the candle is printing. Not sprinting, but printing. Yeah, ES is falling down. That 65 level should be taken out. Almost down. Be careful. And this one is going down to 26. Let's see. Yeah, 26 almost taken out, and there you go, 26 taken out. ES made a new low, NQ is falling. Let's go here to trading view. Look at this. Sell side taken. All right. Could be a red day, finally. ES breaking lower. Previous day low is the next target at 59. Nothing is stopping this. It's pumping the 10-year. All right. Muhammadu, hey there. Good morning. Second TP hit, end of the day. Red day, what do you mean? I mean, not red day, but for Nasdaq, it could be a red candle. That's what I meant, sorry. Jeho is just, you know, done for the day. Nice one. And Jeho is banking the profits. Yeah, everything has been taken here. I would say entering into a position at this level could be a little bit late. Took out the sell side on both markets. Well, look the 4-hour and look for RSI. All right, I'm not really looking the RSI all that much, but looking at the 4-hour, and we still have some good targets down there. Did we have a divergence? Let me guess. Is there a divergence? Jesus, this is an RSI. Okay. Yeah. Definitely up there. Quite some ways to go. Yeah, it can go so much lower. It's going to bounce. It needs to bounce now, or take out the previous day low at 127. This is unstoppable. This is just unstoppable. I'm not in a trade, I'm still flat. Yeah, the previous day low is a good target. I mean, looks as a good target, but oh man, look at this. It's huge. Huge. What a sell-off. I wonder what gold is doing. Gold is stuck. Nobody cares about gold right now. Okay, now we have to wait for this candle. And also, same goes for ES. Previous day low could be a target, so this might not be over yet. This might not be over yet. ES looks better for a possible short. If we anticipate that the draw on liquidity is previous day low, then I would say ES looks good. Yeah, market structure shift on Nasdaq. Trying to figure this out. We took out 23. I'm gonna delete that. That's irrelevant. All right. After this candle, if it leaves a fair value gap, that might be a possibility for me to take a limit order if I see something. But I just have to wait. I'm still waiting. 80% of my time is waiting, guys. 90% actually. Okay, ES closing the gap. I don't know if that's good or bad news. NQ still not doing anything special. Well, we have, I guess we can say multiple times, 5 minute, 15 minute. On the 1 hour, the 1 hour has not shifted, but the 15 minute and the 5 minutes shifted. The 1 hour has not. I mean, not on ES. Let's look at Nasdaq. Not a clean shift here. We have one shift. If this candle closes on the 5 minute, actually this has shifted. Not on the 1 hour, I think. The 1 hour is not yet shifted, but it looks like if it stays like this, it will. Oh, the 4 hour. Yeah. The 4 hour too. And it's a nice shift. Man, I don't know. I don't know if I should be participating in this short to previous day low, but I do like this. The risk to reward is good. It's going higher. It's going to close the gap on ES. It's closing the gap on NQ too. All right, never mind. Yeah, it's closing the gap. Not valid. It's not a valid trade. It's the waiting game again. Okay, this is not a valid entry. So this is it. No trade so far. No trade. Let me look on gold. Nothing. It is below daily open. Typically a long position is more likely to have a win. I just wait for MSS and see if yeah, could be the thing. Could be the thing. Let's wait and see. I'm still just waiting. Small gap, it's not valid for me on ES. Also, I really don't like this entry here. We have a small fair value gap. I don't know if I can trust this. Maybe with a small position on this swing. I don't really like this area. It feels like it just wants to go higher, you know, reprice. It's not really something I like. How many ticks? INT. Yeah. Don't really like this area. I don't know what to say. I think it's gonna go higher. Back to the gap, maybe all the way up there. I don't know. It wasn't a clear shift. ES is going higher. Now that it has taken out the lows. Yeah, it's risky. It's risky. Try to measure this area for targets and everything, but you know, even if I anticipate that we should be going lower, let me delete this alert. I think it's just too early now. I mean, not too early, too late and too risky. Before we have to wait for some kind of a strong retracement, maybe to build up some structure for a short or something. But for now, it is just, you know, feels like it can go much higher. And I think it will. Should be going back to, let me delete this, back above the 50s, 60s, and then maybe reprice some levels up there. The scalp on the DJ was so clean to take. Yeah. Look at that. ES actually pulling higher. This could be a shift in market structure, actually. NQ, I'm watching NQ too on the 5-minute. Could we see a shift as well? I don't know. Seems like we are seeing a shift. Yeah, it's going down. Now this looks like a market structure shift, a proper one. Even on Nasdaq, look at that. Swept the low. How about that? Could we go higher again? Previous day high. Continue, one more push. The ES looks actually nice. For a proper trade. Let's see what happens after this candle closes. Look at ES. It looks nice. It really looks good. Let me delete this gap. Could be breaking that order block. Yeah, it actually looks good. Although on the 15-minute, there's a long wick candle all the way to the downside. Might be. I'm just looking for, so this is a shift, and if this candle would leave a fair value gap, well, that would be a classic entry. That would be a classic entry like this. Let me, so this one would be looking good and nice. It's on a good level, you know, midnight level, swept some lows on ES. I like that. I would say the same for NQ, but who knows? OTE level is a little bit off here. I guess it can still go. And let me look on gold for a brief second. Do I have any orders? I hope I didn't left any orders open. I don't. All right. Between 243, 237. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. 2 minutes from this candle. Swept the lows. OTE down there. Just gotta trust the system, you know. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade the 1 minute for a while. It's just too much stress for me. So I'm leaving the 1 minute behind. It's just going to confuse me. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, because I was trading the 1 minute for many times for quite a while, but I lost so much on the 1 minute that I'm just going to wait at the particular entry on the 5 minute chart. That's the only thing I can do right now. So at least I have time to, you know, rethink the situation. Is no good. I mean, I know that 1 minute can give you a sniper entry, and that's why in this case, for me, an OTE level is quite good enough. You know, 61.8 level. For me, it would be awesome. That's why I'm looking at that level here as well. So, for example, here, if NQ would go down for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, yeah, 2 micros there, 2 micros there, and what else? What else? Three micros, 2 micros. Just measuring if I would risk $100 on this one. How far could I go with this? The previous high broken is called breaker block. Well, it's not really a breaker block, but yes, something like that. 26 with 2 micros. I don't know if I want to put a limit on there. No, I'm not sure. What's happening on ES? Still not down here. The entry would be, I'd say, 69.25. Maybe. For now, it looks like NQ wants to approach that OTE level first. 26, 25, yeah. Green line entry. What is a green line entry? You mean the VWAP? Or 69.25 should be a level that I'm curious if it wants to take it. $69.25. 69.25. Let's see. No. It's just not going for it. Not now, at least. You were approved? Nice. Congratulations. Let's go, Jackson, sorry. I pray for the market structure shift on H4. Yeah, it could be happening. Could be happening. ES is not willing to reprice lower. It's just holding that level. To have a sell day tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so NQ didn't go down for the OTE level. ES didn't go down to the OTE level. What does that mean? That means I'm still going to wait. What about gold? Gold is going higher. Finally, something is happening with gold. All right, that level is taken. Buy side liquidity is the 1 hour fair value gap up there. NVIDIA up 3%. Okay, so that's gonna pull the markets up a little bit. Hopefully, who knows, right? Yes, still not there. All right, Nasdaq tried to go higher. ES might be pulling lower a little bit more. You're so close passing the 250k account. Come on. You know, you don't have to do it today. You still have time. You still have plenty of time. Don't worry about it. They have a screen for screener chart. Yeah, I have. I mean, if you're saying I have a second monitor here, if that's what you're saying. ES is going lower. Could be entering the ES trade. If it gets down to optimal trade entry, I don't know. Seems a little bit dangerous. Seems a little bit dangerous, but you never know. Watching on gold. Market structure shift on 5-minute chart hasn't happened yet. Well, the only thing here on Nasdaq, there was a market structure shift. If this one could be a possible long entry. The thing is that market was very bearish. Although Nvidia is a little bit up, and still a market structure shift here on the 5-minute. Is this going to be enough? I'm not sure. Trading view profile. Oh, no, I don't. Chill, boys. Yeah. Okay, I entered to a long on Nasdaq. 2650 is my entry. Only with small positions. Small position 2650 right here. This is an entry for me, but I think it can go lower, so I'm just risking a small amount. Still looking at ES for the same thing, but that would be double risk. I don't really sure I want to take that. But, you know, we'll see. This would need to be breaker. There is better chance. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, my target is at 278.50. So 278.50. That's my target up there. Unfortunately, it has the chance to go lower right now. ES is trying to pull, but I don't know. APEC, oh yeah, there you go. That's the problem. It started to go down. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Let me reconnect to Apex because I have some connection issue, although am I just going to leave it as it is? Yeah, Jeho was killing it. Your target is where I marked my market structure shift. Nice, Ebs. I think we hit, yeah, we can go down. Still. It is dangerous for sure. Yeah. Most likely it's gonna go down. So it's got to be a very bad trade at this moment. Low probability. Low probability trade. It did not hit the OTE, but I mean the ES. Well, let's see. And by the way, what I just told you guys, I have to go to the city to take some I have some things to do, and so I have to close the stream, and I'll be back a little bit later maybe. But I think I'm gonna close the stream, because if I can't make it back in time, I don't want to leave the computer running. So just saying. All right. I think we can continue to drop from here even more. That's the problem. That is just gonna keep on dropping. I might have to close it manually. Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closed it manually. Let's see. Why do I have a... Okay, I have a connection issue. At least it closed manually. Anyway, it is what it is. Yeah. Gold is going higher. Oh, I had to close it because it's just a high probability that it's going to go down. I'm sorry. Anyway, I do have to go. I appreciate you guys being here, but I have some errands to run in the city, so thank you so much. Maybe I'll be back later, but if not, I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. I'll be updating the stats. Sorry, but this one didn't go well for me. All right. So see you guys next time tomorrow. All right, cheers everybody, and have a good session, and talk to you tomorrow. All right, cheers everyone.